What's up, everybody? Welcome to another Levi's vlog, the everyday adventure movement. What's happening? What's popping? We out here like we always are. Looks like there's a thunderstorm coming. Man, we popping out here. I just saw a crazy accident. Like, I didn't see it with my eyeballs, but the fire chief right here, like, he's leaving the scene right now. I gotta go up here and turn around and go back that way because, you know, obviously there's an accident on the exit that I need to get on. I think everybody's doing this shit. Like, yeah, all these people, most of these people are going to flip a U-turn like I just did. I felt rain, I saw lightning and everything. It was crazy. Hopefully we'll get to see the accident. I don't know if we will. Let me go this way so I can show you guys somewhat of the accident. It's a really bad accident. The whole damn hood of it is pushed right in. Oh man, you're not going to see it. Dang it. You're not going to see it because the damn thing is so high. I was hoping that you can see the fire truck and everything, and the cops up here blocking off the ramp and everything. Crazy, I tell you. We got rain on the windshield, and I got my sunroof. That is crazy. So what I'm going to actually do is take a left at the light, go straight down, and then cross over. That car could have went. We actually had the yellow arrow. What an idiot, I tell you. Here comes another fire truck. Well, he's not in a hurry and he's not going to the scene. That's crazy, I tell you. Crazy is what crazy does, you know? They're actually shooting off fireworks still. I don't know if you can hear them or not, but I can hear the fireworks. I don't see them, but people are shooting them off. My nice little rainy drive vlog video, little conversation with Levi, and not blowing through no red lights, Levi, like I never do. But I'm gonna go down to South Pearl. South Pearl's down there. Then I'm gonna take a right, get on that highway that you see over there with all the traffic and the cars are on, and then after that, head on back. Actually raining and stuff. If it gets any harder, I'm gonna have to shut the sunroof. my drop top. Yeah, I got a thunderstorm warning. They actually said on the radio, they said a tornado watch in Glens Falls area. It's crazy because, you know, like flying debris, hail, this and that and other stuff. But I hate when people are riding bicycles in the freaking road, because it's crazy, you know. It's really, really freaking dangerous, and I don't like it how, you know, they get to ride in the road with us. They should have their own bike lane, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's dangerous, especially when there's cars coming this way and you're trying to go that way, and then you got a bicycle in your lane with you. Like, come on. The Palace Theater. I never been to the Palace. Never. I hear the train horn. I'm gonna take a left here, get up on the highway. It is 7:30 p.m. at night. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. You know what it is, the Levi Everyday Adventure Movement. And I'm out here. We out here.